Thank you, everyone. And yeah, this is the third day of the FIL Toronto Summit. I'm so glad like people coming here, want to listen to us and find what we're doing here. So people who knows us as the first one for a long time. But today I'm going to bring you guys a fresh new concept, the NBFS green hosting. So there was a company called Nebula Blockchain Frontier Solution Inc. Some people who started early in Filecoin ecosystem, they might know this name. It's the original name created before the first one. So what does the Frontier Solution does? It is providing the Web3 infrastructure globally. And for Web3, what is essential for Web3? What's the most basic thing for Web3? Servers. You cannot run anything meaningful without servers. This is not Bitcoin. This is not Ethereum. Bitcoin, you know, the noisy big machines throw in the factory, plug it, it's working. And Ethereum, right? You need small memories, small SSDs, just running on a node. Come on, they only have a few hundred gigabyte data, right? But Web3 is different. We really need to be strong servers. We need the storage. We need the computing. We need everything, right? So that's why we give a name Frontier Solution. What is the frontier of the blockchain? Servers, hostings, infrastructures, data centers. That's what we need. That's why we're coming up with the name Nebula Blockchain Frontier Solution. We are delivering a system for IPFS at Filecoin in the like Nebula. Everything is connected, P2P connections. That's how it is. We currently have clients worldwide from US, Canada, Europe, and of course, Quebec. NBFS head office is in Quebec, so we have lots of customers in Quebec, and even people from Asia, like Hong Kong, Singapore. We have 20 team members who dedicate to the hosting and the maintenance for global users. What we are specialized is in cloud virtualization, AI, blockchain, and rendering. The companies in Hollywood is rendering their images and film in NBFS data centers. This is what we have achieved. We already have around 3,000 servers running in 2 geolocations in North America. For Filecoin, we store over 700 petabytes, consume 8 megawatt power in 500 cabinets. In Canada, we're hosting in Montreal, which is a very nice place, by language spoken, and in US, we're hosting in North Carolina, Redis data center, close to IBM, Triangle Research Center. Well, group of people is very diverse in Montreal. We support our clients in English, French, Chinese, and other language upon your request. This is what we have been doing in Filecoin ecosystem. We started working with the ecosystem since 2020, even before the space race. We're actually the top players in space race. We are the first Filecoin verified data storage provider with 10 plus, 5 plus program. We're the first, even before that start. We're happy in testing, we're doing everything. First one now is the Notary of North America. And we're actually also the large data set provider. There's more than 20 large data set hosted on Filecoin ecosystem. And most of them have data copies on NBFS data centers. So which means that if you are a client in North America, you are lucky. You are benefit from the network more than 10 gigabyte retrieval speed. We use, for those 3 days event, we're actually using the IPFS cluster hosting in NBFS data center to deliver the videos we created in the 3 days. The calibration IPFS, first one, cluster, transfer the files and the videos through IPFS, and those servers actually are supported by IPFS. We have delivered over 200,000 data storage deals on different nodes and distributed more than 10 petabyte storage volume through the bandwidth to different geolocations, any country you can imagine. Actually, we deliver more countries than AWS. And this is a very interesting part. For people who have still remembering a few slides ago, we're talking about 8 megawatt power consumption. People are still wondering how many coral FIL you have been wasted. No, actually not. In Quebec, we are using 100% hydro-driven data center hosting. Everything is renewable, green, and low cost. In Quebec, we provide hosting with power price at 3.19 kW per cent, and there's no hiding fees. People think that solar is green, is generate almost no carbon. Actually, hydro generate even less. So if you want to help the climate change, you want to help about the green earth, Canada, Montreal, and NBFS is your choice. We're doing storage as a service for Filecoin ecosystem, delivers good quality services worldwide. We have more than 10 petabyte verified data from different platforms like First One, S3, TechCell, Internet Archive, USC foundations, also supported by Seagate and Forget in China. So those are big platforms who gather data from consumers. People upload images, important human data like videos, Internet Archive, or the website worldwide. Those precious data will be secured, stored on, and stable on different places worldwide. NBFS is so honored to be able to contribute to the public good. We built 5 IPFS clusters with more than 10 gigabyte high-speed internet for people's access. With our unique technology about data sealing, we actually is 75% much faster than the traditional routers client. Also, we give the capability in a large-scale delivery. If any clients who want to sell in data over 1 gigabyte, please come to us. We can offer. Our current sealing capacity is over 1 petabyte per day. What that 1 petabyte means? A video is about 1 gigabyte. 1,000 gigabyte is 1 terabyte. 1,000 terabytes is 1 petabyte. That's how big it is. So we can fit all your needs if you want. We also provide the tax import legal services. If you want to shipping $1 million servers from China to US or Canada, we can help. We have past experience help people doing shipping. Millions of dollars goods is transported last year. Just within 1 year, we have our US client get their equipment delivered to Canada within 2 weeks. And also, with our help, you didn't worry about Chinese language converter. We are the converter. Yeah, we also provide service more than storage, Filecoin. We're doing services for people hosting servers in AI industry. If you have a GPU broken, we can replace it. If you found your disk, even sometimes you don't even know that your disk is in red state, we can replace it for you. The cost is not so expensive compared to US, science, Canada, Montreal, And we provide excellent on-site support. If you have some servers expired and you want to recycle it, you can trade in with us. So you buy a server, want to trade in, you don't need to go eBay. Talk to us, we'll help you. This is a global supply chain, which is amazing. We're doing every service you want. What you need to do is simple, just to pay. And we care of you doing the customer due diligence, wonder service, replacement, clearance, and also we're using different shipping method applying your request. If you want fast, UPS, fine. You want something with a truck, fine. I will give you the price, and you make the selection. Yeah, this is our working on-site stays, where this is the real photo we're taking in our data center in Montreal. We unpack servers as soon as you arrive. We have some clients that don't even know how their servers looks like. They order it from the supplier, they deliver it to our data center, we're doing the unpack, then it's online. For them, it's magic. They just click, and they don't even know the servers. So sometimes it's so interesting. There was a whole bunch of servers arrive, ask them, are they yours? I don't know. I only make the payment. But it works. We feel proud that our customers don't know much, but the stuff works. And this is the cabling. You see how beautiful they are? That was an interesting story. One day when I was at the data center, I was so angry about the cables. I said, how does cables mess up? Then our employee tell us, boss, it's not ours. It's our computers. And I'm getting happy. So you guys deserve the best service. And this is service monitoring for Filecoin storage. And this first image is for Filecoin storage, other image is for the general service monitoring, and it's accessible to clients. If you have if you want to see how much power consumption, what state is, we open it for you. We so grateful that we have get a lot of help from different partners, especially the data centers like Equinix, TierPoint, eStructures, and the Qscale. They provide a hosting service really nice, and they're really cooperative, and most important, we get the best price from them, and we can pass this great value to our clients. If you using our services, you not just get the best service, you also get the best price in hosting. Yeah, and also Filecoin foundations, different capitals, Seagate. We can tell you that more than 90% of the disk is provided by Seagate. Yeah, if you're interested in talking more with us, please follow us on Twitter, go to our website. You will get more information. And really thanks everyone here. If anybody have questions, just ask me. Thank you, everyone.